Hello everybody. Today we're going to have a detailed look, install, review and demonstrate a pressure washer pump by YAMATIC for a vertical 7/8 shaft with a rear outlet. Let's open it, have a look at the pump and its accessories. I got this pump as a replacement for my old one that cracked after the winter. Here is a pump from all angles and detail. Instead of running out to the store for a new pressure washer, I decided on trying to fix this myself. Now, let's have a closer look. Alright, let's get this installed. This is how I installed my pump. The results are great. I can't tell a difference between my old one and this one. Been using it now for a few weeks, washing the house, cars, shed, and it's been working great. Here it is, doing its thing. This video isn't sponsored, and I am giving you my honest opinion. Thank you for watching.